In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a plain text email on Mailchimp. Plain text emails can be a valuable tool for communication, offering a simple and straightforward way to reach your audience without the bells and whistles of HTML. Let's dive into how you can set this up in Mailchimp step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Create button, which you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it to get started with crafting your new email. Next, you'll be prompted to select the type of email campaign you want to create. Choose email and then go for the regular campaign option. Regular campaigns are perfect for standard communications, and they give you a straightforward path to set up your plain text email. Now, it's time to add a bit of personalization to your campaign. You'll want to give your campaign a name. This name is mainly for your internal use in Mailchimp, so pick something that makes it easy for you to remember what this campaign is all about. Once you've named your campaign, click on Begin to move forward. At this point, you'll need to select the audience or list that you want to receive this email. This is crucial because it dictates who will see your message, so make sure you select the correct audience list. After you've selected your audience, you'll enter the from name and email address. This is what your recipients will see when they receive your email, so it's an important piece of your communication strategy. Ensure that the name and email address you use are recognizable to ensure higher open rates and better engagement. Next up, go ahead and add a compelling subject line. Remember, this is the first part of your email that your audience will encounter, so make it engaging and relevant to encourage them to open your email. As we shift to the content creation part of our email, head over to the content section. Here you'll want to select plain text instead of the other fancier options like templates or classic builder. Choosing plain text strips away all formatting and graphics, leaving you with the raw and simple text that some recipients actually prefer for its clarity and ease of reading. A text editor will appear and you can either type your message from scratch or paste something you've prepared in advance. Keep your message clear and to the point, ensuring that it aligns with your subject line and overall intent of the email. Once you've crafted the message you want to send, click on Save and Exit. Finally, you're at the last step. You're ready to send your email, so click on Send to dispatch it immediately, or the Schedule button if you'd prefer it to be sent at a later time. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to send a plain text email through Mailchimp. This simple approach can be incredibly effective, and now you're all set to give it a try.